Are you trying to find a business that you can start with little to no startup that can actually make you money? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 3 profitable business ideas that you can start in 2020 with little to no startup, very little technical skills. And if you're interested in learning how to make money online and that kind of stuff, that's what this channel is about. So make sure to give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into the video. Hey, Thomas Garetz here. Thanks for tuning in. So like I said, I'm going to give you 3 profitable business ideas that you can start, and all 3 of them are great. And like I said, they require little to no startup, very little technical skills, and you could start them today if you wanted to. But just know that the third one is going to be my favorite, the one I'm currently doing, the one that's gotten me on the leaderboard like this. So just make sure to stay till the end and see that one because you're not going to want to miss it. All right, so let's get into it. So the first business idea, this one is great, especially if you're just starting out. You can get money fast. So it's a social media marketing agency. So I know that's kind of vague, like a social media marketing agency. That could be anything, right? And the thing is, it could be. So there's many different routes, right? So you could go on Google and find different like brick and mortar businesses, dentists, stuff like that, right? And you could even do stuff like if they're not verified on Google My Business, you could look up how to do it. It's super simple, but basically it gives you higher search and it just makes you look more professional, right? Super simple to do. That could be your thing. You just go help people get verified on Google My Business. Or you could go to these brick and mortar businesses and be like, hey, I'll get you more leads, and then find out how to do Facebook ads and get them more leads. Or you could make them websites. There's a ton of different things you could do for these businesses, but basically you're providing your services to these different brick and mortar businesses, right? And you could find them online. You could find them in the yellow pages. You could go walk into stores. It really doesn't matter. But basically what you're doing, providing services and helping them. Because a lot of businesses out there, they don't really know, like for example, a lot of businesses, they don't even know how to verify their Google My Business thing online. And it's super simple. Just look it up. You could see what I'm talking about. And that's a great thing to do. Like very simple. It does not require many technical skills like it would if you were making them a website, for example, right? You kind of got to know what you're doing, okay? So anyways, that's number 1. Now, number 2, I like this one a lot more, and I think it's a lot more simple. You can work it around your like schedule. And this one is going to be freelancing. And this one, again, you don't need a ton of technical skills, but you want to master like one thing, okay? So a freelancer, basically what it is you go to websites like Fiverr or Upwork and stuff like that, and you provide your service again, okay? So for example, you could be the copywriting freelancer where you just write people's sales copy, or you could be the graphics guy, or just like if you want to go niche down, be like, I just do ebook covers, okay? Or just anything like that. There's so many different graphics design things. Just go to fiverr.com, and what you can do is you can become someone on Fiverr, okay? You can start promoting yourself on Fiverr, and there's tons of different things to do. And the reason why I say it doesn't take much technical skills is because most people, whether you know it or not, are an expert at something, okay? I'm not saying that you're automatically going to be an expert at graphic design, but if you focused on it and you wanted to do that, and that's like what you enjoyed doing, you could become the expert very fast. It doesn't take much time, it just takes a little practice. So my advice for that is to just pick one thing. Don't be like the all-around freelance for everything. Be like the graphics guy or woman, apologies, or the sales copy guy or gal, right? Like you just want to be the one thing. You don't want to try and be everything. Trust me, it's going to be a lot better. And then people are going to refer you. Someone's going to ask the person that got the service done for them, hey, who did that for you? They're like, oh, so-and-so. And then you're going to get people that way as well. So anyways, that's number 2. I think it's great. Now, number 3 is my number 1 recommendation. That's what I currently do. I've got on leaderboards. It's changed my life in every single way. And what it is it's called affiliate marketing, okay? And if you've never heard of it before, there's so many people out there that are like, anything online's a scam, right? Like, marketing's a scam, salespeople are scams. It's just not true. And it's okay because a lot of people think like that. I'm assuming you don't because you're on this video, you made it this far. I know you don't think like that. But basically, affiliate marketing is just providing people with a product that they're already actively searching for or needing, And what happens is if they buy it through your affiliate link, which is just a personalized link to you, you're going to get a commission from the sale. So for example, Amazon, they have the biggest affiliate program in the world. It's called Amazon Associates, okay? Their percentages are a little lower because it's physical products. So it's like 1 to 10% at most, okay? However, there's digital products, courses, software, things like that where you can get 30, 40, 50, sometimes even 100% commissions. And that's what you want to focus on, okay? So for me, I focus on a few programs, really only 2, maybe 3, okay? So the first 2 are the software you really need to run a business online, okay? No one ever said businesses are going to be cheap, right? Or free. You can do it, but there's some things you just need. First of all, you want to be growing your list. You've probably heard this before. The money's in the list, the fortune's in the follow-up, right? Like you do want to be building your list, okay? And I use ConvertKit. That's number 1. And that's what I use to grow my list, send emails, stuff like that. And number 2, I use ClickFunnels, and that's my sales funnel builder. Like it builds landing pages, basically just series of web pages, right? And it's super simple to use. Everything's drag and drop. Both those links are down below in the description. But number 3, what you want to be doing is you want to be learning. You constantly want to be learning. And you want to find a training program. And to make things easier on you, if you can find a training program that teaches you everything, but they also have a very lucrative affiliate program, you're going to win, right? And that's what I found. And this is the program that's changed my life. And this is called Legendary Marketer, okay? I have a ton of other videos about it. I'll link up above to a full review I did on it. But basically, it's a training program, okay? They train you, and the training they have is just next level. It's insane. But the best thing about it is it's a high ticket affiliate program. Okay, so you can get commissions up to $1,000. Honestly, the highest commission is $12,000. Okay, seriously. And it's insane. You get 40% commissions. But the best part about it is the only thing you have to do with this program is get people in on a 15-day challenge that costs $7. Okay, now hear me out. So they buy the 15-day $7 business challenge, right? So what happens is everyone who gets in their door gets assigned a business plan advisor or a coach, right? That's what makes Legendary Marketers so much different than everyone else, right? So they're assigned this coach, and that coach is going to get on the phone with them every couple days and provide value. Talk to them about their situation, their business, everything, right? And figure out solutions for them. And if they want to go to higher level training, then they suggest products to them. Okay, so they do all of the selling for you. Okay, it's insane. I've never seen a company like this, and I struggled online until I found Legendary Marketer. And that's just the truth. Like, I'm not lying. I have no reason to lie to you. I'm not making this video to make you buy my products because I want to make money off you. No, it's just the truth. And I know a lot of people struggle online, including me. And the reason being, it's not because you're not doing things right. It's just because you're not taught right or you don't have the proper programs. So just trust me, if you want to start making money online and learn how to do things the right way, this is my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online, okay? And I'm not saying you'll make money today or maybe even in a week or a month or a year. You have to put in the work, okay? And if you do, things will happen, I promise you. Okay, so anyways, if you have any questions, put them in the comments down below. Remember to click that first link in the description. And if you want to learn more about Legendary Marketer, online business, you can watch these videos up here. But just make sure before you leave, give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and that's all I got. See you on the next video.